Hi, Sam from Federal Brace here to show you the Liberty Hidden Countertop Support Bracket. The Liberty bracket comes in 8 to 20 inch support lengths in unfinished steel or flat white. It has a 375 pound carry capacity and can be spaced up to 18 inches apart. It comes with 2 or 3 countersunk holes for flush mounting into a knee wall. It also has an additional 4 1/8 inches on the end for mounting into your knee wall. They're perfect for knee walls, bars, breakfast nooks, and anything else you can come up with. Let's go take a look at how to install one. Thank you for watching this video on the Liberty Hidden Countertop Support Bracket. For more product information and innovations from Federal Brace, subscribe to our channel. We will see you next time.